Okay, so we're solving it's a simple linear equation. There are certainly many ways to do the problem, and I'm not suggesting the way that I'm giving it to you is the only way to do it. But what I would do is I would actually multiply both sides by the LCD. And by inspection, the LCD is, let's see, 45. Let me write that down for you. So the LCD is 45. We're doing problem number 1, by the way. Now, I realize there's a blue area there. Certainly for those students that read through that blue area and understand it, that's fine. Now, if you multiply each term by 45, I want to point out what I mean by that. I'm multiplying their coefficients. So for example, 2/5 times 45. Well, it's not bad to do. 5 goes into 5 once, goes into 45 9 times. So that would give you 18. Now granted, if you can do it in your head, please do it in your head. So you get 18x for the first term. Let's go to the next term, plus, and I'll tell you what I'm doing 4/3 times 45. And 3 goes into 3 once, goes into 45 15 times. And 4 times 15 is going to be 60. Fairly simple. Right, what's the next term going to be? Minus, well, it's 8/9 times 45. 9 goes into 9 once, goes into 45 5 times, and 5 times 8 is 40. Again, if you can do this in your head, I would strongly recommend you do it in your head. All right, so I got my 3 terms done there. Now I'm looking at the other side, and the coefficient there, it's numerical. It's a constant. It's 38/15 times 45. What do you get over there? 15 goes into 15 once, goes into 45 3 times, and 3 times 38 is 90, and 24, 114. I want to circle where this is over here. And I want to point out, I actually wrote down I was multiplying both sides by 45. What am I going to do now? Well, I'm going to combine like terms. And if you looked at it, just adding the left side together, you're going to get 38x equals 114. Boy, that looks familiar. X is, well, I divide both sides by 38. You get 114 over 38, right? And I'm pretty sure you kind of remember me doing this. It's something to do with the number 38, 114, right? And what do you get over there? It goes in 3 times. That's my answer. Now, I realize this might seem retentive to you, but you could check it. Now, if you're going to check it, you'd go back to the original, and you'd plug it in. Let me do that for you. What do you get? 6/5, if x is 3, by the way, plus 4, minus, well, what'd you get there? You'd get 8. Again, if x is 3, you get 8/3. And they say that's 38/15. Right, that's a question. Is it right? Is it wrong? Did I make a mistake? Well, on the left side, the LCD is 15. Again, I'll still put the question. I wonder, is it true? And what do you get there? Well, let's take a look. That would be 18 and 60. And then minus 40. Well, again, these numbers look sort of familiar to me, don't they? And what do you get? 38/15. It works beautifully. So this not only was an easy problem to solve, it was a fairly easy one to check. All right, that's number 1. And this could be a relatively simple problem set. Thank you for paying attention, though.